The whole world has gone mad. They think I'm dangerous. I might agree with that, when everything I touch will break. Loving you is my escape. So come on, give me what I crave. I want it, I want it. Do you want it? I scare myself with the way that I need you. There's no one else. Tell me that you can feel it too. That you'd crawl through hell if it meant I could keep you. I scare myself, and everything I touch will break. Loving you is my